Hey folks, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. And that's my friend Mitch. It is really cold out, guys, so you guys can't see him right now, but there he is, and we are here in his backyard. There's a nice pond and it's a frozen pond. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We have 3 style lipos in both the RCs and they're highly upgraded for intense action. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks a lot for tuning in RC Overdose. The Traxxas team, guys. Stampede and the Rustler. That's the Uzi. Fully automatic. And we're gonna fire some rounds. We got the CO2. And you know, we are charging the battery, so it's break time. And this is what we do in the break time. That's semi-auto. This is fully auto. Oh shit. Alright guys, the break time is over, but the weather turned out to be a bit windy. I'm sure you guys can hear it on the camera. And we're out here trying to find some spots to enjoy. So stay tuned. Oh shit. This is snow. the lipo is dead. As I said, it's minus 20. It affects the batteries as well. Here we are, end of the second session and the final session. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in to RC Overdose, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Have a great day, guys. Peace. Now I'm gonna get some funny shots around. Look at your head.
My turban.
Alright guys, before we go, check this thing out. My buddy has a little toy. It's a really intense little thing. Check it out, guys. I gotta show you guys this. My buddy just pulled it out. Oops.